Paris, the city of lights, the city of love, a place that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Join me as we uncover the top 10 must-visit destinations that will make your 2024 trip to Paris unforgettable. Get ready to wander through cobblestone streets, indulge in pastries, and witness Parisian architecture. Our first stop is the Eiffel Tower, the very symbol of Paris. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, it has become a global icon of romance and wonder. At night, the tower twinkles with thousands of lights, creating a spectacle that will leave you breathless. No trip to Paris is complete without visiting the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most celebrated works of art. Wander through vast galleries teeming with sculptures, paintings, and artifacts that span millennia and cultures. From ancient Egyptian antiquities to Renaissance masterpieces, the Louvre offers a journey through the history of art. Rising from the Ile de la Cité, Notre-Dame Cathedral stands as a symbol of Parisian history and resilience. Admire its iconic facade adorned with intricate carvings and gargoyles. The site of Notre-Dame being restored to its former glory is a testament to the enduring spirit of Paris. Venture into the heart of Montmartre, a world of bohemian charm and artistic spirit. Visit the Place du Tertre, where artists still gather, and take in the breathtaking views from the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. The legacy of artists like Picasso and Renoir lives on in the cobblestone streets and vibrant cafes. Just a short journey from Paris lies the opulent Palace of Versailles, a testament to the grandeur of the French monarchy. Lose yourself in the Hall of Mirrors and stroll through the meticulously designed gardens. Each grove and fountain is a testament to the artistry of a bygone era. Experience the magic of Paris from the gentle current of the Seine River. Embark on a river cruise and watch as the city's iconic landmarks glide by. Whether you choose a daytime cruise or a romantic evening voyage, the Seine will capture your heart. Prepare to be swept away by the allure of the Champs-Élysées, Paris's most famous avenue. Indulge in window shopping, savor a Parisian pastry, or soak up the vibrant energy of this iconic street. As the sun sets, the Champs-Élysées transforms into a dazzling spectacle of twinkling lights. Perched atop the highest point in Paris, the Sacré-Cœur Basilica stands as a beacon of hope and tranquility. This white-domed basilica offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city below. The Sacré-Cœur is a reminder that even in a bustling metropolis, moments of quiet reflection can be found. For art lovers, the Musée d'Orsay is a true gem. Housed in a former railway station, it boasts an unparalleled collection of Impressionist and post-Impressionist masterpieces. Lose yourself in the vibrant brushstrokes of Monet, Renoir, and Degas. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city with a visit to the tranquil Luxembourg Gardens. Stroll through its meticulously manicured lawns. Admire the colorful flower beds or relax by the fountain. The Luxembourg Gardens offer a serene escape and a glimpse into the Parisian way of life. So there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the top 10 must-visit destinations in Paris for 2024. Start planning your Parisian adventure today and prepare to be captivated by the magic of this enchanting city. Bon voyage!